Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, CVS Health is currently hiring. I will put the link in the description of the video for this particular job lead, guys. All of these links are clickable. You can come and click on this link. This is a remote position. It's a customer service representative behavioral health position. The location is in Arizona, but it's a remote position. So bring your heart to CVS Health. Every one of us at CVS Health shares a single clear purpose. Guys, shift is available from Monday through Friday, 11:45 a.m. to 8:15 p.m. It's behavioral health customer service reps provides advocate care to assist the member with a clear path to care, claims, understanding, and resolution, and educates the members with online resources. Your responsibility creates an emotional connection with our members by understanding and engaging the member to the fullest to champion for our members' best health. You need 1 to 3 years experience, customer service experience in order to be considered for this role within the customer service atmosphere or call center atmosphere. You need previous behavioral health experience, associate's degree, medical or insurance background, high school diploma. The typical pay range for this is between $17 an hour and $27.90 an hour. This pay range represents the base hourly rate of base annual full-time salary for all positions in the job grade within which the position falls. And I will leave all of the links here so you can be able to come and take a look. In addition to the compensation, you'll get benefits and 401k and PTO and things of that nature. And you can come through and click this link to check out all of the benefits. So super congrats to anyone who gets one of these amazing roles. Super congrats to anyone who gets this role. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, please make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, watching, commenting, and subscribing. If you know anyone, guys, who is looking for a job role, please share this job lead with them or any of the previous job roles that I've shared with you. Guys, I appreciate all that you do. You are the best. Love you lots. As you can see, guys, there are so many open opportunities here. So you just come and take a look, fully remote, hybrid, on-site, and remote. So if you're just looking for jobs, there are pages up on pages, and you can come and take a look, guys. So thank you so much. Love you lots. It looks like it's 37,500 live results. So there's 37,504 open job opportunities. 37,504 open job opportunities. So thank you so much, guys. I just wanted to share that really, really quick. Love you lots. I appreciate you lots, friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.